go. Fix my tie here a little bit. Alright, think we're good. Cool. Alright, let's go. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. Alright, what up, everyone? What up, Eddie, Zach, these days? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, guys. Appreciate everyone, as always. And Ken, what's up? We getting wrecked today? Yeah, we'll get to that in a second. Today was not good for anyone. Not good for the Bears, not good for the Bulls. J. Powell said F your calls and F your puts. Today was go for everyone. Real go. Yes, absolutely, real go. When bottom? Yes, that's when. Yes, that's when bottom. Ramen again? Yep, every single day. Every single day. And yes, thank you, Zach. If you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button, please. Thank you. Ken says, "Are you Korean?" No, I think these days is white, not Korean. Ramen every day. You hate Biden? I'm not the biggest fan of Biden either, but you know, to be honest, it's not completely his fault. Yeah, it's easy to blame everything on Biden. You know, I did that, right? So definitely deserves somewhat of the blame, but it's not totally his fault. Here comes the first siren of the day. My apologies, guys. Gonna talk over it. All right, so happy Monday, guys. Today is Monday, October 10th, 2022. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. And today we're doing the show from Raw-Ministan. Yep, eating ramen today. Seems like every day. Damn, I'm hot. I'm sweating. Maybe I should have went for the shirt and tie today. Okay. Oh, these days says she's Iranian. Okay, cool. So not a Korean, but technically that is Asian, right? Middle Eastern. That's cool. All right, guys. So yes, today, Ramen-istan. Everyone eating ramen today. Hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. But regardless, so not a great start to the week. But regardless, got a great show for you guys. As always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. Today we have quite a few articles. We have 6 articles. One about Transit Swap. They got hacked, so we got an update there. Crypto Transit Swap. One about Formula 1, the race car driving league, Formula 1. They're getting into crypto. Got an article about that. Then we got articles from the Fed, from Evans, one from Jamie Dimon, one which is the CEO of Chase, one from Paul Tudor, which is a hedge fund manager, and one about Cathie Wood. Everyone's weighing in with their opinions on the economy. So 2 crypto articles and 4 opinion pieces on the economy. Really, that's one article, but 4 different articles, all with different opinions, so that shouldn't take too long. And then today for the TA, we're going to do MULN, Mullen. So we haven't talked about that one in a couple months. I really don't like talking about Mullen because there is an army behind it, and I never have anything good to say about that stock. And usually, every time I did cover that stock, I just got a bunch of hate from the apes. But there really wasn't too much to discuss today. I was thinking about just doing SPY. But, you know, we've been doing SPY a bunch lately. So today we're going to do a full TA on Mullen. But that shouldn't take too long. Not too many indicators. Should be pretty straightforward. I don't even think it's going to get that many views. It's going to waste like 2 hours tonight editing. Just for like 20 views. But whatever. So yeah. Articles, Mullen, and then we'll get to the Yolos. A lot of good Yolos today. I think we have like 12 or something like that. A lot of memes. A lot of gained corn and lost corn. So yeah, Yolos are fun today. So yeah, guys. Today should be pretty chill. Maybe we'll go, I'm going to say 2 hours today. Probably go 2 hours today. Depending on how many people come in chat. Mondays are usually not the best day for streaming. Although it is pretty, a lot of the regulars are here already. So we'll see. But yeah, we'll go for, I'm thinking 2 hours today, give or take. Hopefully sooner, but if not 2 hours. Alright, guys. Cool. So thank you everyone for joining me today. Appreciate everyone. And let's get started. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. You dressed nice today, man. Appreciate that. Yeah, I did have some time getting set up today. A little extra time getting set up, so decided to throw on the shirt and tie. Hope you guys like it. Tie's a little off, though. Probably need to fix that later. AMD somehow more interesting than Mullen, in my opinion. Yeah, in my opinion, too, yes, but not according to StockTwits. Mullen is still a very ape-friendly stock. Apes never learn. I'm sure there's people in there with averages of 2, 3, 4. Now it's at 30 cents. Mullen sucked. You should have shorted? Yeah, you should have. Too late now. When can you throw a 420 party for us? I don't know. Maybe sometime in the future we can do a meetup. And sure, I'll throw a 420. I'll do a 420 meetup for you guys. But we're all over the place. So if you guys ever want to, I don't know, if I'm in a different city, we can do a meetup, or if you guys want to come to New York. But yeah, I'm down for that. Probably going to be a while, though. All right, guys, let's do it. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Did I already say that? Whatever. Let's go. What's wrong with Finger? It keep going up? Yeah, I don't know. I was not happy about that today. We'll get to that in a second. But yeah, what a stock. What a stock. It is not going the right way. Can you bring some New York snow too? Personally, I'm not really into the snow. I just do 420. But, you know, not judging anyone who does do that. Not really my thing, though. Alright, let's go. Damn, I'm sweating already. Alright, let's do a quick scan. See if there's anything in the aftermarket here worth going for. Alright, so we do have some stuff, it appears like. ILAG. Although that's not really, there's no news for that, so we're not going to go for that. Stab is going back up. I do not know why, but like Stab is, I covered Stab already, but Stab is running back up today. So I do see something here. Semi. CEMI. Although that one also has no news, so not sure why that's going up. Alright, I don't really see anything here. Trading post-market. Nothing yet, at least. Nothing worth going for. Let's look at Market Chameleon. But it looks like nothing happening in the aftermarket just yet. Yep. Alright, so we'll come back to this. Let me just do a double check. But it appears like nothing is going on. And here comes another siren, so my apologies, guys. Gonna talk over it. Alright, yeah, nothing going on aftermarket so far. Okay. Sober 2, keep going up. Yeah, Sober did have some good PR today. I did see that. But see, Finger goes up for no reason. Sober actually goes up on PR, so there's a difference there. What up, Mitchell? What's up? Tie check MMTLP, bro. Yeah, so I did see that. That one was mooning today. Honorable mention, MMTLP. That's MMAT warrants, I believe. So yeah, we can check it out real quick. So honorable mention here. Yeah, big runner today. It's gonna come back down. So, you know, if you guys are in this, hit the sell button, I would say. And it does look like a good short. Although you probably can't trade this right now. Yeah, it's OTC market. So I can't trade this right now on IBKR. But if you can, looks like a good sell and a good short. That's our dividend payout. You still holding, dude? I'm surprised. I thought you sold a long time ago. But hey, diamond hands did work here, huh?
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
Yeah, so, you know, not financial advice. But now would be a good time to hit the sell button, in my opinion. You know, when this is at the all-time high. And 93 RSI. A lot of bullish indicators right now. Or a lot of bearish indicators. But now is a good time to dump, in my opinion. Okay. Uh-oh, what's going on with IMUX? This is not good. This is going crazy in the aftermarket. Not good, not good. Uh-oh. Alright, so let's get to my plays today, which are not good. But let's do that. Alright, so we got IMUX and APDN. MMAT is scam? Yeah. That, Mullen, everything. XCLA. What's the other one? AVCT. What's the other one? BBIG. All scams. Okay, let's go with... Let's see what's up with the watch list today. So, alright, so APDN shorted this one in the morning. This halted in the morning. I did not get a good price. I got in at 160. I thought that was a good price, but it ran all day to like 340 at the high. So at the high, I was down 50%. I was down $1,000 there. It is pulling back a little bit, down to 208 now in the aftermarket. So now I'm only down 700. And it did come down to like 185 earlier. So yeah, that is not going good right now. Diamond balls. Hopefully tomorrow it drops back, but yeah, down a lot there. And IMUX. So we're just talking about this one. So I shorted this one 567 in the pre-market. Ran all day. I mean, it actually was in the green most of the day, but then towards power hour here, it started mooning past $6, and now it's mooning in the aftermarket. The 635 now, and going. So hopefully this doesn't keep going. But yeah, some of these stocks are really strong today. And that's surprising because today was a bear market. Today was a down day, and these stocks just kept pumping strong. But yeah. Still holding APDN, IMUX down quite a bit on those. About $1,000 total. So, Diamond Balls, hopefully that comes back down tomorrow. MSOS. So, still holding this from last week. I'm in at 1080. I do want to cover this back at 1075. I just want to break even, which that should hit pretty soon, with probably by tomorrow. So I made 160 on MSOS today. FNGR finger, that one's going nuts again. Went up 9% today, down 160 today. That's back at $8. That sucks. FSI, fortunately that pulled back 9% today, down to 288. So I made 250 on that today. And Lucy, Lucy, which I got filled last week on. So, I shorted this one at 262. Really good price. And it came all the way down to like 195. I was up $500. Since ran back up to 214, so I'm only up 355 now. So kind of disappointing there. But yeah, I'm up $350 today, and that should come back down, and that should cover tomorrow. We'll see, though. But yeah, overall, I am down. Let's see here. 400, 750. Yeah, I'm probably down like $400 today. 400, $450, something like that. So not the worst thing in the world, but damn, bro. These stocks just don't want to give up. You got MMAT at 255, still holding diamond balls. Oh my god, dude. That is rough. That is rough. I don't know if MMAT is ever going back up there. I really don't think so. Unless it reverse splits. Yeah, you're in a tough spot there, dude. Hope it wasn't too much. Are you still holding MSOS? Yes, but I want to dump it very soon. As soon as it comes back down another like 20 cents. That's how I got to hold to the payout just to see how much it is. Some say 25 easy. Alright, dude. 25 seems a bit optimistic. I'm not going to lie. And personally, I just cut it right now because the chart looks pretty insane. But sure, dude. You know, good luck to you. Hope it works out. And if anything, I'll say this. I would just at least put a stop loss. You know, so if it does go the wrong way, then at least you can take your profits then. And not walk away with anything. My apologies, guys. Gonna blow my nose real quick. I'm a little sick. I don't have the C19, but I do have a sore throat and like stuffy nose. It will in 30 years? You gonna hold for 30 years, bro? Alright, if you want to. Average down is about to moon MMAT. I don't know about that. I sure hope so, though, for the apes. No, I was telling Mitchell to stop loss MMTLP. No, that is not for IMUX. Can they short an OTC stock? I think you can. I should know this. Pretty sure you can, although it doesn't happen very often, and sometimes you get restricted. Like today, I tried to short MMTLP, but it didn't let me. Can you got IMUX 633? Long or short? I sure hope it's short, dude. Please don't tell me you went long there. But yeah, that's a really good price. That's a really good price. Near the top, actually. What up, Swirls? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. If you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. NET on IMUX tie. Yeah, sure, we could do it real quick. Although, it's pretty straightforward. It's very bearish. Look, 78 RSI. Filled the gap. Another gap up today at 405. So, it looks extremely bearish. That's why I shorted it. And it is pulling back now. Finished at 620. Now it's back to 620. So, hopefully this comes back down. Yeah, TA looks extremely bearish. Please go down so I can get my money back. They couldn't locate shares for it. No, it's not even that, dude. Like literally, they just restricted trading. Like trading restricted. You can't even long or short this right now on IBKR at least. So it's not that they didn't have shares. They just restricted trading. What do you mean you go both long and short? How can you go both long and short? Which one are you right now, dude? And what do you mean only 300 shares? That's a lot of shares, dude. What price am I in? I'm in at 567, dude. I'm down right now. Down 10%. You're up 8K in 2 days, the first big win of the year. Nice, dude. That's really good. So congrats to you, dude. Sounds like you took a break from trading for a while. And I haven't seen you around for a while, too. So, yeah, it does seem like you did take a break. So, glad you're back. Trading, watching the show. And congrats so far, dude. Very happy for you. Can I have... Got 3,600 shares from MMAT that converted to MMTLP. So, are you up on mostly on that MMTLP or on other stuff too? Oh, Mitchell says he can have Ken can have his MMAT shares. I don't think anyone wants MMAT right now. Pretty trash stock. Excuse me. All right, let's do another scan. Still not seeing anything. All right, cool. Welcome back to this. Refresh market. Chameleon here, but I don't see any aftermarket action. Nothing. All right, cool. Let's get to the watch list today. Starting the green side here. All right, guys, let's do it. So the Dow Jones down 0.32%. The Nasdaq down 1.02%. Yeah, tech getting hit pretty hard today. And the S&P down 0.76%. Back to 360 now. VIX is up 3.48%, up 1.09 points. So we're at 32.45 right now. VIX, not good. So in summary...
And it's gone.
Really, really bad day. Well, actually, it wasn't that terrible, but pretty bad. And when you take a look at the overall markets for the past few weeks, few months, last year, yeah, this really hurts. So not the most terrible day, but it's taking its toll, for sure. So we're approaching the yearly low on SPY again. Not good. Let's check it out. What's going on here today? Ken, you're shorting AVCT? Well, not financial advice, dude, but I would probably not do that. Yeah, it's way too late to go short there, in my opinion. And it could really squeeze at any moment, so I'd probably not do that, but good luck to you, dude. And Mitchell, are you still in AVCT and AMTD? Because those stocks went down a lot, so hope you cashed out there. Took profits and cashed out. VIX doing shady stuff, not peaking with those bigger sell-offs. Yeah, the VIX, well, this is correct. I mean, actually, this went up a little bit too much today, in my opinion, 3.48%, but yeah, the VIX should have went up today. So yeah, now we're at 32.45 VIX. We're pushing mid-30s VIX again, which is not good at all. Long way to go. Down to 20, which ideally the VIX should be at. So we're gonna be in this for a while. You know, volatile markets, bad VIX. All right, let's check it out. All right, APDN is coming back down a little bit here in the post-market. You bought AVCT at the high? Damn, dude, that sucks. Sorry about that. Did you sell MOTS? Ty, or still holding? No, I'm out of there. I covered at 220. I'm out. And you're down 3K on AMTD? Alright, well, yeah, that sucks. But if you're up overall, that's all that matters. So, tough losses there. But, said you're up 8K or whatever, right? So, don't know what you made money in. But, well, MMTLP, obviously. But, hey, as long as you're up, congrats, dude. Ty, what are you thinking of covering APDN? I really have no idea. I have it set to 125, but that looks highly unlikely at this point, so I'd be happy to break even. I really don't know on that one, APDN. I just want to make my money back right now. What price? 220. Why so early? Because I get in, I get my money, and I get out. I don't hold this stuff for that long. I get my 10Ds, I get out. I do not want to pay any borrow fees. Once the price action is done, I'm out. So I got my 10Ds and I'm out. You know, I'm not one to stick around. Early is good. The earlier you get out is better. Okay, let's run down the watch list here. So yes, APDN, which we just discussed. Getting wrecked on that today. Down 71%. XELA up 14%. Interesting. Not sure why that's not an honorable mention. That did have some news today. And MMAT up 11.36%. Very good. Although that's weird that the warrants made StockTwits, but MMAT, the actual stock, did not. But hey, big day there. Not really sure why. Then we got Peloton 4.6%. Moderna. Twitter 2.4. Not much. Netflix 2.3. Wish. Lockheed Martin. Virgin Galactic. Really not much here. McDonald's. Walmart. Apple. Meta. Pepsi. J&J. Coinbase. eBay. Starbucks. Yeah, not much in the green here. Some value, but yeah, not much price action. Biggest price action was on the growth / memes. Not too much value here, but some value. Oh, there's Target as well. But yeah, pretty bad day here on the green side. Not much in the green, not much price action. Let's get onto the red side. They don't want nobody to know, bro. The shorts are stuck. Who doesn't want who to know what? In MMAT? Not sure what you're referring to, dude. But I will say, yeah, just be careful, Mitchell. You know, you're up a lot of money so far. And like I said, I would just set a stop loss. I would probably sell right now, but if not, just use a stop loss. What up, Koya? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
If you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. MMTLP is up 42%. Yeah, it actually closed. This stuff doesn't run in the aftermarket. Should be number 1. Yeah, it should be. It's not. It's like number 5 or something. It really wasn't that popular. I don't know why. All right, let's get on to the red side. All right. Damn, HKD. I forgot who asked about HKD, but someone asked about it on Discord the other day. I think yesterday. That's down 19%. Wow. Excuse me. So, yeah. Don't know who asked about HKD, but RIP there. A lot of these meme stocks going down. MEGL too, another Chinese meme stock. AVCT honorable mention. That's down on 15.6% today. Only 1.7K mentions, so not going to discuss it today. But honorable mention AVCT. Maybe we'll do a video on that in the near future. Where is MMTLP stock? Maybe you can't see it because it's OTC. I don't think Robinhood is OTC, so... Yeah, what I recommend is get off Robinhood, dude. It is the worst. It is a terrible, terrible brokerage. So it's there. Maybe just not on Robinhood, because it's OTC. Okay. Damn, DraftKings down 14%. So Mullen down 13.33%. We will discuss this first and only today. We're going to do a full TA. Haven't talked about it in 4 months. So, excited to do that again. Well, I am and I'm not. Because I like trashing the stock, but last time I did that, I got shadow banned. The apes reported me. They were not happy. They were not happy. And, yeah, I was threatened to get reported and banned and all this stuff, so I had to take the video down. Anyway, yeah, we'll discuss Mullen later on. Looks like oil's going down a lot. CEI, INDO. Damn, ERC went down to 310. Why did I cover that? Should have held. But yeah, a lot of stuff down today. Damn, Ford went down 7%. You shorted HKD? Ken, dude, stop shorting stuff that already went down. I mean, you can do whatever you want. It's your money, but that is not really a good shorting strategy, to be completely honest. You want to short stuff while it's high, not while it's low. And you get TI on finger. Alright, dude, but again, it's pretty straightforward. Why you keep pissing the apes nation? Because they're dumb and I'm trying to teach them a lesson. Try to convert them into being smart apes and not crayon eating apes, but a lot of them don't want to listen. It's not even apes nation, it's a cult. It's a Mullen cult. So there's certain stocks with cults, and Mullen is one of them. I don't know, I thought it would go down more. Yeah, it can, but if it already went down so much, you have to short stuff that's up like 40%, dude, not stuff that's down 40%. It can't go down more, but by the time you get in, the price action is already over the big price action. And there's a good chance it goes back up and you get squeezed out, so... that's why shorting things when they already went down is not a good idea. You dissing AMC, you're banned for life? I already did that. I also got a lot of hate for that when I trashed AMC. But I just tell the truth. At least they didn't shadow ban me when I talk trash about AMC. Alright, moving on. INPP down 5.3%, pretty nasty. Ethereum pushing $1. Yeah, let's speed this up, because everything's in the red here. I don't see much value, though. There's AMC, 2.76%. Not bad. Alright, here's the value. Exxon, 2.2%. Microsoft, 2.1%. Disney, 2%. Intel, Chevron. Citi, GME, Pfizer, everything down here. All the financials. Palantir, AMD. So we're not going to go through all that. But yeah. In summary, not much in the green. Some stuff was in the green, but not much in the green. A few select growth/meme stocks. A few select value stocks. And on the red side, everything in the red. Actually, the price action wasn't too bad, but just most of the stocks in the red. And some of the price action was pretty bad. So, overall, slightly bearish day here today. Most of the stocks in the red, but not the worst price action. So, it could have been worse. Definitely not good, though. So, good on the stock market. What price you cover IMUX at? I have it for $4.45 right now. $4.45. If it even gets there. I may have to cover it break even, we'll see. But I have it set for $4.45. Okay. Cool. So there's the stock market, guys. Let's do another quick scan before we move on to crypto. Alright, still not seeing much here. Here come the sirens again. So I'm going to talk over it. My apologies, guys. Yeah, I'm not seeing much happening after market. That's kind of disappointing. Need to make some attendees back today. And still nothing here on Market Chameleon. Alright, that's cool. Alright, guys, give me a second here. Let me pull up the articles and crypto for today. Alright, cool. Let me check YouTube, see where we're at. 6 viewers, 9 likes. Nice. 6-9, lol. So appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you.
And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. Alright, gonna give this... Oh, it's done loading. So just gonna take a quick drink and we'll get started here. Yeah, I got you, low roller. Don't put too many articles. And not too many Yolos, because we have a lot of stuff today. And, you know, I'm not trying to stay that late. Okay. So just gonna take a quick drink. Blow my nose, and we'll get started on crypto here. Ugh, I feel like crap today, guys. But I do it for you guys. Giants won again. Yeah, they're actually pretty good. And the Jets won, too. Very surprising. So, I'm happy for that. But the Mets lost. So, good. Alright. Let's go, guys. So, here's crypto. That is down 0.9% today. Not bad. But definitely not good. So, slightly bearish day here in crypto as well. And, yeah, so today individually, it's not that bad. But when you get day after day of red, it really starts to add up. So, yeah, this does hurt. So, check it out. Bitcoin down 1.06%, pushing 19K again. Ether down 0.8%. Binance down 1.1. XRP 2.6. So, I see a lot of red. Cardano 2. Solana 1.3. Doge 2.6. Yeah, let's sort this out. I don't see too much price action, though. A lot of red. Alright, so we'll start on the green side. We'll probably actually count this, too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Alright, so we have about 18 coins in the green here today. We'll just call it 20%. So 80% of the coins in the red, 20% in the green. So not many coins in the green. The biggest gainer by far is Huobi, 27%. Big day there. And then Terra Classic USD, 16%, which I don't know why people are still trading that. And then big drop off from there. So only 2 coins in the double digits. And not much value here. We got Polygon, Tron, but those didn't go up too much. So yeah, that would do it. Not many coins in the green. Not much price action. Mostly growth, not value. And on the red side, so 80% of the coins in the red, but not too much price action. Biggest loser is Lido, DAO, 7.2%. So nothing in the double digits here, but there is a good amount of value in the red here. Got Ether Classic, Uniswap, Bitcoin Cash, XRP, Sheeb, Doge, Cosmos. So yeah, not the worst thing in the world. Not the worst day in crypto here, but yeah, slightly bearish. And we just need a rally. We need a few green days in a row here. Not even anything big. We just need some green days and get some momentum going. Man, Bitcoin was at like 25K not too long ago. Now it's back down to 19. Crazy, dude. Alright, so there is crypto today, guys. So, also slightly bearish. So, overall, slightly bearish day in the stock market. Slightly bearish day here in crypto. So, overall, good today. Slightly good. But, like, mega go when you consider, you know, the past year. Alright, cool. Let's get on to the news today. Will Dak Prescott lose his job to the backup quarterback Cooper Rush? Will Cowboys go for Cooper Rush since they're winning? Nope. I'm pretty sure Prescott has the job. And I haven't seen Cooper Rush play, but I think he's more of a game manager, not really a, you know, dynamic quarterback. So no, Dak is definitely better than Cooper Rush. He'll get his job back. Alright, guys, so once again, we have 6 articles today. 2 about crypto, 1 about Transit Swap hack, 1 about Formula 1 sponsorship, and then we got 4 from the 4 opinions on the economy. 1 by Evans from the Fed, 1 by Jamie Dimon from JP Morgan, 1 by Paul Tudor, hedge fund manager, and 1 about Kathy Wood. And then we got 2 from Low Roller. So, good stuff. Let's do it, guys. Let's do the articles. First article, main hacker in Transit Swap exploit agrees to return remaining funds. Under the agreement, more than $2 million would be returned to Transit Swap users. Alright. So I didn't even know that they got hacked. Don't know when it got hacked. But they lost $23 million. Got hacked for 23 mil. And it says since then the hacker returned 70% of the funds. And in the end, the hacker gets to keep 2,500 Binance, which is about $700,000. So we hacked him for 23 mil, gets to keep 700K, which is a pretty good win for the hacker. So, pretty unfortunate that they got hacked, but I'm glad that they were able to get their funds back. This guy is still, piece of dirt. But at least they were able to recover most of the funds. So, in the end, it wasn't all so bad. But yeah, this stuff is pretty normal now. Crypto was once unhackable. Now, not so much. So, I'm glad this did work out. Unlike a lot of other hacking stories you hear about. So yeah, Transit Swap got hacked, and they recovered most of their funds here. Alright, next one. Formula 1 files F1 trademarks covering crypto, NFTs, and metaverse. The racing competition has plans to set up an online marketplace for cryptocurrency, meta tokens, digital collectibles, crypto collectibles, and NFTs. Alright, so they filed 8... excuse me. Filed 8 trademarks. 1 for crypto plus NFTs, 1 for NFT plus crypto marketplaces, retail stores for virtual goods, blockchain financial transactions, crypto trading plus mining, and more. So I'm not sure how well this is going to go. I guess there's no downside to it. But it seems like they're a bit late to the party. All the other sports stuff, all the other sports leagues have been jumping on crypto pretty fast. And you would expect race car driving to get on there pretty quickly, but they haven't. So I honestly don't think this is going to do much. I don't think people are really going to use the Formula 1 marketplace to trade crypto and NFTs. But like I said, no downside. Good for crypto, good for Formula 1. But ultimately, it's probably not going to do anything. Alright, so let's quickly, let's read all these opinions. We have a lot of opinions on the economy going forward. So first one by Evans. The Fed's Evans. I don't even know what his first name is. Alright, Fed's Evans says fighting inflation is the top priority, even if that means job losses. Evans said he sees some signs that inflation is letting up as supply chain pressures ease. He advocated a policy stance where the Fed gets rates to a restrictive level, at which point it can monitor the impact. Price stability sets the stage for stronger growth in the future. Alright, so, yeah, this guy just echoing Jay Powell. Jay Powell said, we are not stopping raising rates. We're just going to keep doing it. Inflation is the number 1 priority. So, no change there. So the Fed stance stays the same. Let's see what Jamie Dimon has to say. This is the CEO of Chase, JP Morgan. The famous guy who, the guy who famously said, we will never ever trade crypto for our clients, and then a month later he backtracked, and now they are trading crypto. Anyway, this is serious. JP Morgan's Jamie Dimon warns U.S. likely to tip into recession in 6 to 9 months. Nice. Not nice, but nice. Alright, key points. JP Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon said the U.S. economy was actually still doing well at present, and consumers we're likely to be in better shape compared to the 2008 global financial crisis when the world tips into recession. But you can't talk about the economy without talking about stuff in the future, and this is serious stuff. His comments come at a time of growing concern about the prospect of an economic recession as the Fed and other major central banks raise interest rates to combat soaring inflation. All right, so Jamie Dimon thinks that recession is likely in 6 to 9 months, which I think we're already in a recession, but I do agree that it could last another 6 to 9 months. So I do agree with Jamie Dimon here to an extent. I think we're already in a recession, and yes, it'll last probably up to another year, I would say. All right, next one. Paul Tudor Jones believes we are in or near a recession, and history shows stocks have more to fall. Billionaire hedge fund manager Paul Tudor Jones believes the U.S. economy is either near or already in the middle of a recession. I don't know whether it started now or started 2 months ago, Jones told CNBC. All right, so this doesn't take a rocket scientist, right? You don't need a hedge fund manager to tell you this, but yeah. So my opinion is a mix of this guy, Tudor Jones and Jamie Dimon. So I agree with this guy. We're already in a recession, and I agree with Jamie Dimon. Probably going to be for another year. And last article, fun one here, from me. ARK's Cathie Wood issues open letter to the Fed, saying it is risking an economic bust. Bruh. And we got memes on this later, so stay tuned for that.
Bruh.
The Fed is likely making a mistake in its hardline stance against inflation because it is looking backward, ARK Invest's Cathie Wood said Monday. In an open letter, Wood suggested that the central bank has shocked not just the U.S., but the world, and raised the risk of a deflationary bust. All right, so yeah, Cathie Wood's still trying to stay relevant. So, I don't think anyone cares or anyone wants to listen. Well, yeah, when you've been bleeding money for the past 2 years, no one really cares about your opinion. She used to be respected. Nowadays, she gets respect from no one. Not from the street, not from the apes, from no one. So she's afraid that she can lose even more money. So of course she wants the Fed to stop raising rates because she's bleeding money like crazy, and if they don't stop raising rates and they keep raising rates like they said they would, she's just gonna bleed even more money. I don't even know. I don't know how she's not bankrupt yet. Like, she either has some very, very deep pockets, which she obviously does, but I don't know what sophisticated investor would give your money to this woman. Hell no. So yeah, Cathie Wood doing and saying Cathie Wood things, and we got memes on this later. But I give her the clown, No one cares about her opinion. You gotta earn it back. Alright, 2 more from Low Roller. Get through this very quickly. Cooper Rush could be next Tom Brady since Drew Bledsoe lost his job to Tom Brady since Bledsoe got injury. Well, that's a long shot, but I suppose anything is possible. Anything makes the Cowboys win the Super Bowl, I'd be happy. Yeah, it's probably going to be a while. I'm not a Cowboys fan, but I know there's a lot of drama being a Cowboys fan. And but they can't get past the first round in the last 20 years or something. If Dak Prescott lose games, they demand bring back Cooper Rush to win the game. I don't think Dak's going to lose games. It's not Cooper Rush why they're winning games. It's just a good football team. They have good defense, solid offense. It's not Cooper Rush why they're winning the games. All right, what's this? 570 million of Binance BNB tokens stolen after a major crypto hack? Really? This was last week. Wow. This is big. 570 million? Damn, dude.
And it's gone.
So, nothing compared to, well, the 23 mil is nothing compared to 570 mil. So yeah, transit swap. The transit swap hack got nothing on this. But damn. So yeah, the hackers made out like crazy here. That is a huge hack. Almost 600 mil. So, Binance will be okay. Very unfortunate, but Binance will be okay. But they definitely should upgrade their security there. And, very unfortunate. I hope the guy gets caught. This is a big hack. Alright, last one. This new PayPal policy lets firm fine users $2,500 for spreading misinformation. Terms of service condemned and called an abomination. So I did see this. Yeah, this is fun because they did say this, but then they backtracked. So this is no longer valid. They're not gonna fine you $2,500 anymore. So we're not gonna read this. So this was an issue, but they since backtracked. So yeah, this article is no longer valid. All right, cool. What time is it? 4:55. So we are doing pretty good on time here. Right on time, a little bit early. So let's do one more scan. Nothing going on here. Let's do one more scan, and then we're going to do Mullen. Oh. Alright, so we got some movement here, but nothing out of the ordinary. That's where we can make a play on it. ARAV. Alright, so that's something. I guess we can add this to the watch list, but it's not making that much movement. So ARAV, going to keep this on the watch list. Not moving too much, but it could. But other than that, not seeing much action. IMNN. Nope, that's not it. Alright, nothing going on here. So we'll come back to this if anything happens. You need a 420 medicine? You mean like I need to use 420 as medicine? Yeah, it's actually hasn't been helping because my throat's really sore and smoking doesn't really help with that. It's probably not gonna help. But I'm gonna do some of that later, regardless. If I have PayPal balance, I will withdraw my money on my bank account ASAP since PayPal can freeze your account and steal your money. Yeah, they can, but they usually don't unless they have a reason to. When you hear them doing that, it's there's usually a reason. Like you have tons of money coming in for no reason or unexplained reasons. Like if you're an e-girl and you get donations and you get all these Cash Apps and PayPals, that looks highly suspicious. If you're a drug dealer, it looks highly suspicious. So you really can't blame them. But yes, you should cash out and not let it sit there. Okay. So nothing going on here. IMUX back down to 615. APDN down to 210. Finger pulling back. All right, not bad, not bad. All right, guys. So, excuse me. Let me check YouTube real quick, see where we're at, and then we'll finish up here with Mullen. Five viewers, 9 likes. All right, so appreciate everyone who's still here.
I appreciate you.
And if you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. I am UX doing good, hopefully offering tomorrow. Yeah, unlikely, but, there is a chance, and that would be great. But offerings are usually for something that, absolutely moons. Like, hundreds of %. might need more water because my throat really hurts and doing a lot of talking here. All right, guys, let's do Mullen. Shouldn't take too long, and then we'll finish up with the Yolos. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get through this as quick as possible. It should only take like 20 minutes or so. Really shouldn't take too long. All right, let's do it. So here is MULN Mullen Automotive. This finishes at 26.3 cents today. That is down 13.33%.
And it's gone.
So we haven't analyzed this stock in a while. In over 4 months. Let's see here. Last time we analyzed the stock, it was at 170. I did say that it was likely going to pull back to 60 cents. A lot of apes did not like that. But the chart does not lie. It did ultimately pull back down to 60 cents. And pull back even more significantly from that. Under 30 now. Which I never thought it would sell off this much. But here we are. And I can't say I'm surprised. Because fundamentally, this is a pretty terrible company. They're broke, have no deliveries, no infrastructure. The CEO is a fraud. They just lead on. The investors, lie after lie after lie. So just based on the fundamentals, I'd stay far away from this stock. But technically, the chart is starting to look very bullish. Which we'll get to in a second here. So, no company-specific news to justify this price action today. Just the overall markets selling off. Especially the growth in memes. And of course, Mullen is a meme stock. Let's see. This was number 3 on StockTwits today, after SPY and PayPal had over 2,800 mentions, so once again, we're going to analyze it. All right, let's jump right in. Let's go ahead and analyze here. So first of all, we have a cup and handle in the making. I can't really say where the bottom of the cup is because that is still being formed at the moment. But there can be multiple possible tops. It can be 60 cents, 80 cents, 95 cents, $120, $140, 120, 140, or even 170. And longer term, this is part of an even bigger cup and handle where this has the potential to come all the way back up to the high of 16. Although I do believe the most realistic tops would be $0.50 or 60 cents. But those are all bullish indicators. That is telling us that the stock should come back up to one of those tops to complete the cup. Okay. In the aftermarket here, this is running up to 27 cents. So if this aftermarket action holds, that would be a bullish indicator for tomorrow. That is suggesting that tomorrow this stock will run to the upside. And we also have an inverse head and shoulders developing here. The first shoulder is around 33 cents. The head is forming now. So after the head is done forming, the second shoulder will form, and from there it should break out to the upside. So the inverse head and shoulders is currently a bullish indicator. Okay, gap down. Okay. Let me just make sure there's no gaps. I don't think there are. Yeah, no gaps. Okay. There was a gap down way back at 1190. So that's a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the stock may come back up to 1190 to fill that gap. But honestly, that looks pretty unlikely at this point, but possible. Okay. Move my screen here. The RSI, the relative strength index, is currently at 24. So this is officially in oversold and undervalued. Territory. So the RSI is currently a bullish indicator. That is telling us that the current price of 26.3 cents should be a lot higher. And I gotta switch. And on the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD line is above the signal line to the upside. So that's a bullish indicator. That is telling us that it may be time to buy. Although it looks like the MACD may reverse, although it looks like the MACD may cross over to the downside very soon. So be careful. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Anything else? Descending channel. And here we have a descending channel forming, where the upper channel is currently at 40 cents and the lower channel is around 19 cents. So if this breaks 40 to the upside, that'd be bullish, and if this breaks 19 to the downside, that'd be bearish. So the descending channel is currently a neutral indicator. And it looks like it may be bearish pretty soon. And it looks like it may go bearish very soon. So be careful. Okay. Cool. All right. And if you guys want to follow along, the link to the chart is in the description down below. Okay. Guess I should probably draw another one here. Alright, gonna blow my nose and then we'll do the TA here. Excuse me, guys. Pretty sick here. This D-Lucky experience keep getting popular on YouTube. People keep paying him $1,500 to win hand pay. Have you watched his new video lately? He's all over YouTube. No, I haven't, and I don't care. He got 52k subs. Last week only got 40k. Good for him. He's gonna get banned, though. The guy's a scammer. I wish I am D-Lucky experience. I can make $1 million a year by teaching people to win hand pay casino. He doesn't teach people anything. He just scams them for money. So, let me ask you that. Would you be a scammer if that meant you're a millionaire? Because personally, I would say no. You know, I hate scammers. Those are the worst type of people. Scum of the earth. So, even if you offered me $1 million to scam people, I wouldn't do it. Okay, let's do it. You talking about Ty Lopez? Yeah, that guy too. Knowledge, right? I got the meme here. Hold up.
Knowledge. Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here.
Yeah, you see my new Lamborghini?
Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here.
Knowledge.
Knowledge.
Yep. Yeah. Him, all the gambling gurus, whatever stupid day trading guru, whatever crypto guru, they're all scammers. All scammers. Don't ever pay more than $500 for a course, guys. Don't pay for any course. Anytime. But definitely not if it's $500. Will the FBI go after D-Lucky experience? Probably not. Probably too small for them. But maybe if it gets big enough. You talk about his bookshelf all the time? Yeah. Because books, knowledge. That's how I got so rich. That's how I bought my Lamborghini. Knowledge.
Knowledge.
Anyway, enough screwing around. Let's get back to this. Alright. Ugh. Man, I feel terrible. Alright, let's do it. Cool. Alright, let's go up to $1. So right now, this is trading between the sideways channel, the rectangle of 32.2 cents, and 24.1 cents. So if this goes to the upside, next levels of resistance would be 32.2 cents, 36.2 cents, 41 cents, 44.3 cents, 52 cents, 56.3 cents, 59.6 cents, 66.6 cents, 69.9 cents, 74.8 cents, 78 cents, 82.8 cents, 88.3 cents, 91.5 cents, 97.6 cents. And then 105. There is resistance above 105, but we're not going to discuss that right now. And if this goes to the downside, next level of support would be 24.1 cents. 24.1 cents is the all-time low, so no support below that. That would be uncharted territory. Okay. So right now with the current price, 26.3 cents, the channels to the upside and the downside are pretty decently sized, so expect a regular amount of price action either way this goes. Actually. So right now with the current price, 26.3 cents, the channels to the upside are pretty decently sized, so expect a regular amount of price action if this stock runs to the upside. And to the downside, again, that is uncharted territory. No support below there. No support there. So if the stock continues to run to the downside, expect a significant increase in price action. Not good. Not good. And this did 131 million in volume today, which is way above the average. Of 46 million. So the sell-off today was confirmed by the volume. Okay, guys, just my opinion, not financial advice. So like I said in the beginning, fundamentally, I think this company is terrible. A lot of red flags. No money, no product. Scammer CEO. Lie after lie after lie. And I get why some of you apes are so hopeful, because that's all you really can do. So again, based on the fundamentals, I would stay far away from this stock. But based on the technicals, the chart does look pretty bullish in the short and long terms. Again, we have bullish indicators in the cup and handle, inverse head and shoulders, gap down, RSI, MACD, and aftermarket action, and MACD. No bearish indicators, and the only neutral indicator is the descending channel. So way more bullish indicators than bearish indicators here. So yeah, the chart does look pretty strong in the short and long terms. So therefore, if you want to go long, not financial advice. The current price of 26.3 cents is an excellent entry according to the RSI. Again, oversold, undervalued. It probably will keep selling off a little bit more to the downside, because right now it's a falling knife. Hasn't caught any support yet. But sooner or later, it should start to bottom out, catch support, and reverse. Let's see here. So it's pretty hard to tell how far this may run to the upside in the short term. But based on this cup and handle here, I would say there's a good chance this comes back. But based on this cup and handle here, I would say there's a decent chance this comes back up to 80 cents in the short term to complete this cup. So from the current price of 26.3 cents, do some math. So from the current price of 26.3 cents, that would be about a 205% upside potential. So massive upside potential here in the short and long terms. And this really shouldn't go too much further to the downside. This is the all-time low. Oversold, undervalued. So you really can't go too wrong here, buying it at the current price, 26.3 cents. So I would say going long at the current price. Excuse me, gotta blow my nose real quick. So I would say going long at the current price, 26.3 cents would be a low risk, very high reward play. Definitely worth a shot, in my opinion. Should I have gone with 80, or maybe I should have went for 60? Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, whatever, it's okay. So yeah, low risk, very high reward play. So I would say going long at the current price, 26.3 cents would be a low risk, very high reward play. You can't go too wrong here, buying it at the current price. So I can support going long at the current price, 26.3 cents. And if it pulls back, then you can just average down. Again, it'll probably pull back a little bit more. So you can probably get a better price than the current one. But yeah, excellent entry here on the long side. You really can't go too wrong buying in here. Now, if you want to go short, not financial advice, I would not do that, and I would not recommend that. For the same reasons why going long is a really good play right now, going short is a really bad play. Again, all bullish indicators right now, no bearish indicators, oversold, undervalued, all-time low. Again, in the short term, this may come back up to 80 cents, which would be about a 205% upside potential. And again, this really shouldn't go too much further to the downside in the short term. So I would say going short at the current price, 26.3 cents would be a very high risk, low reward play. Not really worth it. Not worth it in my opinion. You should have went short anywhere from the $4 range all the way down to like 50 cents. And here at 26.3 cents, it's way too late to go short. You missed your chance. And you're likely going to get burned. You'd be shorting for crumbs and exposing yourself to a massive amount of you'd be shorting for crumbs and exposing yourself to a massive amount of upside risk. So if you want to go short, please do that at your own risk. But I really don't see why you would do that. Seems like a really bad idea. Seems like a really bad idea. So I don't like the current entry, 26.3 cents on the short side. But I will say, if this does in fact run to 80 cents and higher in the short term, then I think that would be a good time to short this down. But we'll see how it goes. So in summary, guys, fundamentally, I think this is a really bad stock, but technically it looks really good. So going long appears to be an excellent play right now, and going short appears to be a terrible play. So sorry to everyone who lost money in the stock today, but this could be a good buying opportunity. Not financial advice. And good luck to everyone currently in the stock and to everyone looking to take a position. This is MULN Mullen Automotive. All right. So, yeah, that was pretty straightforward. Good stuff. So that only took 25 minutes. Not bad at all. All right, guys. So appreciate everyone for bearing with me, sticking through that. And I appreciate everyone for sticking through my my sickness here today. I'm like all nasty and stuff on stream, but appreciate you guys. Let's do another scan, see if anything is going on here. I still don't see much. Yep, still no aftermarket action. That's unfortunate. I want some tendies. After losing so many today. Yep, not seeing it. Okay. Alright, let's get on to the Yolos. Do you know Dogecoin founder? People in jail read more books than him. I forgot what the Dogecoin founder name is. But yeah, he's pretty famous. Alright, guys. So give me a second here. Let me pull up all the Yolos. And we'll finish up the show with the Yolos. So I said about 2 hours today. It looks like we're actually going to finish a little bit sooner. So not the most chatting today, but that's alright. Alright. Just gotta let this load now. So let me just reload Market Chameleon here, and let me check YouTube, see where we're at. Excuse me. Alright, so we actually... Looks like we do have a runner here. Alright, let's do some live rainbow bearing. Well, let's double check it first. DFLI. Let me check that. DFLI. Oh, Dragonfly Energy. This is the Alright. So I'm not saying you guys should go for this. So this one's moving in the aftermarket. DFLI, Dragonfly Energy. It just started trading today. It's an IPO, so I'd probably not go for it. And there's no news either. So this is the major runner in the aftermarket here. But I'm not going to go for it. Because I don't like going for IPOs and no news. Just unfortunate, because I do want to play something aftermarket here. It's been a very boring day. But it just wasn't meant to be. So if you guys want to go for it, you know, do it at your own risk. I'm not going to go for it. But DFLI is winning right now. Alright, cool. All the Yolos loading up. So we've got another minute to finish loading. Let me check YouTube real quick. Oh, excuse me. Alright, so we got 7 viewers, 10 likes. Appreciate everyone. If you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. Alright, so let's give this another minute to finish loading here. And we'll finish up with the Yolos. So I'm going to take a quick drink in the meantime. Anything else, guys? Questions, comments, concerns, charts, anything you want me to look at? Put it in the chat right now. We'll get to that before we finish the show here today. But if not, we'll just finish up with the Yolos. Damn, IMUX is running back up. It stopped squeezing, but... Damn. Not a good day today, huh? I mean, FSI and Lucy came back down, but... Yeah, IMUX wasn't even that bad, but damn, APND really screwed me here. Alright. Looks like we can get started here. Alright guys, let's finish up with the Yolos today. So, today we have 12 Yolos, mostly memes, but also some pretty good gain and loss corn. Yolos were good today. So this should be fun. Let's do it, guys. First one by Predict Any 007. The man is cherry picking. So as always, every single show, we're gonna clown on Jim Cramer. Start the memes off with the clown on Jim Cramer. Right? Clown on Cramer.
We like to stop.
So this was last week. Tweet last week, October 7th. As always, I welcome people betting against me. I have done this for 42 years. Those who know me know that you would have been betting against Apple at 5, Google since inception, Meta at 18, Amazon at 10, Nvidia at 25, and AMD at 5. I welcome all comers. Okay. So yeah, a few things about this. The man is definitely cherry picking. So you can choose 5 stocks out of 100 that actually made it, right? So, the numbers don't lie. You know, most of the calls you make, you have a losing record. Let's put it that way. I don't think it's like super terrible, but definitely losing record. And yes, this is definitely cherry picking here. You know, choose the 5 mega stocks that actually mooned. So a bit deceptive, a bit deceptive. I'm not saying you guys should bet against Jim Cramer, but it tends to work. So for sure, he's cherry picking here. And I don't know why he keeps fighting with the apes, going back and forth. You know they're just trolling you, dude, right? This guy is so easily triggered. And it's hilarious, too. So yeah, shout out to Jim Cramer. You know, always providing great content here with us, for us. So yes. You were right on these tech stocks. But if everyone listened to all your plays, they'd be down. Let's not kid ourselves here. But yeah, shout out to Jim Cramer. Alright, next one by Convex Boy. TFW. What is TFW? There's a wide spread with no liquidity. So how it looks. This was today. All red. Right? How it looks. And how it feels. So I don't think I really need to tell you guys what this is, right? It's a wine glass. It's an egg-shaped wine glass. Yes, that's what it is. So how it looks. How it feels. So, luckily, I didn't feel like this today, but pretty close. So, Not sure how you guys are feeling. I ain't feeling like this just yet, and I hope you guys aren't either. Oh, this is a pretty funny one. Good stuff here. All right. Next one by George Jetson. Karen Wood. All right, so this is clowning on Kathy Wood. So we saw the article before about her writing a letter to the Fed. Stop raising rates. I'm getting wrecked here. So yeah, Kathy Wood is down so bad, she's demanding to speak with the manager of the stock market. literally. She wrote a letter. She wrote a letter to Jay Powell telling him to stop raising rates. Because you're going to crash the economy, aka you're going to crash my portfolio and lose all my clients' money. So yeah, clown on Kathy Wood. All you had to do was, you know, not invest in meme stocks, not throw billions of dollars in meme stocks. That's all you had to do. And instead of, you know, admitting you're wrong, you just keep on doubling down and tripling and quadrupling down and you keep losing money. So, yeah. What a joke. What a joke of a woman. I don't know. Again, I don't know why you would hand this woman your money. And staying on Kathy Wood by Fights, renewing my subscription right now. So this is a masterclass, which I have bought a few masterclasses, like poker classes. But yeah, Kathy Wood teaches bag holding. Low roller, don't post too many. I said don't post too many. You know, I want to get out of here. Okay. So, yeah, you know, she doesn't catch a break. But she does it to herself. She does it to herself. The woman is so hard-headed, she can't admit that she's been wrong for 2 years. And just... I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. Clearly delusional. Narcissistic and delusional. That's what I would say. So yeah, guys. You want to learn bag holding? Listen to Kathy Wood. Listen to Wall Street Bets. Just inverse Kathy Wood and Kramer. And you'll be just fine. Not financial advice. All right, bye. Said Jip Vic. Which one of you effers is this? All right, so this is in Miami, Florida. We have a yacht here called the Diamond Hands.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
Alright, so this is either a smart ape who was like in AMC or GME and actually hit the sell button and actually sold, you know, and did not diamond hands, or this is just a financial professional who's just trolling and naming it diamond hands, knowing damn well they don't diamond hands. But yeah, this is pretty epic, pretty epic. The SS Diamond Hands. Nice, nice. So not me, but hey, I'd go on a party on the SS Diamond Hands, wouldn't you guys? Good stuff. Now see, I would probably never buy a boat myself. I just rent. But this is pretty cool. Sorry guys, just blow my nose. Alright. So good stuff, good stuff. Alright, bye. JRZ Surfer, I guess. Alright, so here we have a Corvette. Not as nice as the yacht, but Corvette. From Florida also. Wall Street Bet. Nice, nice. So I appreciate the apes. Apes are out here today. You got C19? No, I don't. I took the test. I do not have C19. But, I don't know what I have. Just a regular cold, I guess. Sore throat, runny nose. But still keep it here every day for you guys. Show goes on. All right, by Hood Booger, 89, Diamond Hands. So here we got Diamond Hands moving and storage. That's pretty cool. Wonder how much business they get. I hope they get a lot of business. This is awesome.
With diamond hands, they knew they'd profit if they could only hold.
I wonder who started this. Dumb Ape, Smart Ape, Boomer, Financial Professional? I don't know. That's pretty awesome. Diamond Hands moving in storage. I should have named my my hedge fund, or my RIA. Diamond Hands Wealth Management. Imagine. Huh. Maybe I'll name my hedge fund that when I make it. Diamond Hands Capital. That'd be pretty funny. And all you do is not Diamond Hands. Alright, enough of the memes. Let's get on to the corn. By Gold Tax 7856. I can't believe you guys doubted me. Happy Monday. Regards. Okay. So, I'm actually not sure how this worked, because these are for October 10th. These are literal super FDs. Super FDs. Expired today. He already sold them. But yeah, he had calls, 359 strike, and 361 strike. Not sure how many he had. So in total, he's up 84K today on SPY calls. So this is pretty insane. How did he make money on calls? When did SPY go up today? It had to be from like down here, and it ripped up, and then he sold. It had to be like right here. It had to be full Chad mode. It had to be. So I have a lot of problems with this play. Decent strike, but bad expiration. You can't get any more FD than this. Not sure what the YOLO was. But yeah, literally a lot of things had to go right here. Had to time it right. Had to buy calls instead of puts, and he sold it at the right time too. So I'm sure there was skill involved here, but definitely a lot of luck. A lot of luck. But hey, I'm glad it worked out. Glad I hit the sell button. Highly risky, but it paid off here. I don't recommend anyone do this. But glad it worked out here. And, you know, at this point, you should probably just chill out in the future, because this is not typical at all. And if you try this again, it's probably not going to work. But yeah, Gold Tax 7856. Thanks for posting. Pretty dangerous play. I wouldn't recommend anyone do this, but glad it worked out. And a lot had to go right here. So you got extremely lucky. Enjoy the tendies, dude. And, you know, just chill out in the future. Got lucky once, probably not going to get lucky again. Enjoy the tendies, good luck to you. Alright, by C Benefit 1818. Diamond handing today my SPY put. Alright. So, more SPY FDs here, but this one's a put. 159 strike, 159 puts, 362 strike. So this was a 53K YOLO. And today he's up 29K. And in total he's up 11K. So highly dangerous here. But this did go in the money. And yeah, this could have went really wrong. This finishes up 11K, but it could have been down 53K. So a lot of luck here. Definitely some skill, but definitely a lot of luck. Super FD. Don't recommend you guys do this. Good strike. Bad expiration, but well timed. So, C Benefit 1818, next posting. Congrats to you, dude. Really, really lucky. But glad it worked out. And that's already over. So you cashed out. Only thing I'll say, I don't recommend anyone do this. Highly dangerous. This could have went really bad, so I'm glad it didn't. And yeah, in the future, you should probably just chill out. Because you didn't lose 50K this time, but if you do it again, you probably will next time. Says his butt cheeks were clinched, was about to take a 50% loss, but SPY flushed. So yeah, he admitted he got lucky here. So yeah, C Benefit 1818, thanks for posting. Congrats to you. Enjoy the Cindy's. And good luck, dude. Alright, by Har000. It's not life-changing, but turned 1,500 into 22K even through the tough times. Alright, so in the past 5 months, since May. Yeah, you ran it up like 20K. Very impressive. Excuse me, guys. Okay. So, yeah, this has to be FD Yolos. There's no way. This has to be FD Yolos. So, I'm pretty amazed that he was able to successfully YOLO his way for 5 months. And, like 15x's money here. That's insane. So I'm not exactly sure what he did, but it definitely is FD YOLOs. And this is just extreme luck. Extreme luck. There's nothing more to this. Probably just kept loading up on puts and things just kept going down. That's my assumption, at least. So, it's not life-changing, but 1,500 to 22K in 5 months is highly impressive. But by looking at this, it was definitely luck. So, don't get ahead of yourself, dude. Don't be full of yourself. And you should probably not do this anymore, because it will go to zero. I promise you that. The more you do this. So you got lucky for 5 months. You can only get lucky for so long. Dude, just enjoy the tendies. You know, enjoy your 15x. That is absolutely insane. So I don't recommend anyone do this. If you're down to your last 1,500, don't YOLO. But it worked out here, so good for this guy. But yeah, in the future, don't do this, dude. So Har000, thanks for posting. Congrats to you. Good luck. Chill out in the future. I thought Wall Street bets mean you don't short the stock. Why now they short stock now? It doesn't make sense. They don't short stocks, dude. They buy puts. It doesn't mean you don't short stock. It just means it's a casino. But very few of them actually short stocks. They just buy puts. Alright, by Robertson versus Phillips. The best is yet to come. Alright, so this is the lost core now. So here we got Microvision. Damn, he averaged down too. So 1,925 shares, Microvision, average 1430. So I remember Microvision. That was literally the very first stock. Very first viral stock that I analyzed, that I said was going down. Got a lot of hate, but back then, you know, my credibility wasn't nearly as good. I only had a couple hundred subs. I was not a financial advisor. And everyone's just like, who is this clown on the internet saying it's going to go down? But ultimately, it did. So I remember this stock very well, very well. I had nothing good to say about it. And I can't believe the apes are still going for it. So now it's at $3. So yeah, from 1430 to 3. So 27.5K YOLO, down 21K. Highly, highly impressive. How does one lose 77% on a stock? And then he averaged down today, 700 more, 320 buy. Oh, he canceled it. So yeah, this isn't as bad as FD YOLOs, but you know, you went pretty hard here on a meme stock. So Not surprised at all. Will it ever come back to 14? I hope so. Not likely. But regardless, great loss score in here. Hope you learned your lesson. And hope you guys are learning your lesson. Chill out with the meme stocks. If you're going to play meme stocks, invest what you can afford to lose and hit the sell button. So yeah, bag holding, microvision, and probably will be for a while. I would just recommend, if you have a year that you make 20K, just tax harvest this. That's probably the best way to go. But yeah, epic loss score, microvision here. Alright, last one, and then we got 3 more from low roller. So we'll do this one, next 3, and then oh, wait a minute. Wait, this is the same guy. Hold up. Is this not the same guy from before? Alright, I see what happened. Alright, so this actually isn't valid anymore. So this was by the same guy. Gold Tax 7856. So he was down 15K on SPY calls. And then he actually finished up 84K. So that is absolutely absurd. 100K swing? Bruh.
Bruh.
Yeah, you really can't get too much more degen FD than this. Wow. The guy diamond-handed, down 15K, and then he ran it up 85K. You gotta be kidding me, dude. Sometimes, being in it pays off. So congrats to you, Gold Tax. Glad it worked out. This is absolutely insane. Alright. What's this? You only lose when you sell right? Damn. The guy's down 282K on what, Carnival? Why do you have so much money in Carnival, bro? Yeah, cruises are not the way to go right now. Airlines, cruises, they're pretty much meme stocks. I don't know why you went so hard at Carnival. But, yeah, that would do it. But, at least Carnival does have a chance of going back up. It's like half a meme stock. It's not a total meme stock. Great SPX day. Strictly momentum plays, heavy contracts, minimal time holding. Alright, so the guy's up 40K today. Bunch of SPX puts. Nice. Alright, last one. Just be glad you aren't me. Average cost 69. Wow. So he literally did it for the meme. He literally bought the top 69. Shouldn't he be down more? If it's only down, if its average cost is 69. He should be down a lot more. I don't know why he's not down more, but okay. Buying put, it means the stock price go down. Buying put is like short the stock. Yeah, it is, but it's not. It's similar, but buying puts is not shorting. And I have to like make this distinction all the time. It is not the same thing. And people use it interchangeably, but buying puts is not the same as shorting. So it has to be specified. Well, people are hopeful in HKD every day. Yeah, so someone, like I said, someone mentioned on Discord the other day, yesterday, asked about HKD, and I'm like, oh, hell no. I was like, it does not look good. It does not look good, so. A lot of you apes joined the community, and, sad to see you guys losing money, but my job here is to make you guys better investors, so I hope you guys are learning something and not making the same mistakes. But yeah, I know someone did have HKD, and they're getting wrecked by it. AVCT also. Hopeful on HKD, AVCT. Blue Apron's another one. So that's all the apes do have, is hope. Hopium. Because that's all they literally can do is hope. Hope and pray to J-Pal. Alright, guys. That's all the YOLOs. What time is it? 5:54. Alright, so last order of business. Let's do one more scan, and let's get out of here. DFLI coming back down. I don't see really anything. Let me see where we're at. How many people still here? 6 viewers, 11 likes. Alright, thank you, guys. Appreciate everyone.
I appreciate you. You loyal.
If you guys haven't yet, please smash that like button. Please, thank you. On your way out. And yeah, I think that's it. Because I don't see much aftermarket action here. Yep, nothing really happening. Nothing significant, at least. Alright, so I think that's it. So if anything happens aftermarket, I'll put it on Discord. But yeah, guys, that is the show for today. Count is going up, Ty. The reach is going up. Keep grinding. Yeah, appreciate that. You talk about the sub count, right? So I think we hit 12.2k. So I will say, the count has slowed down a lot recently in about the past month. Because, well, a lot of reasons. First of all, because just the markets have been really bad, and during bear markets, retail does not come out and play. So the viewership has gone down significantly just because we're in a bear market. Two, I just haven't been posting as many videos, TA videos at least, because I'm working harder. I'm working smarter, not harder now. You know, so I used to put out a video every day. But in this market, you know, if I put out a video and I know it's only going to get 20, 30 views, you know, and I spend 2 or 3 hours editing it, it's just not worth it, you know? Well, why put in so much time just for no one to watch it and get maybe one sub, if that? So I'm doing my shorts every day, which have definitely been helping. So the sub count is still going up slowly, but it's been pretty rough lately in this bear market, and just because I haven't been putting in as much effort onto YouTube, which I do apologize for. But you know, I'm only one man, and I have a lot of things to do, a lot of things to juggle. I day trade, do the show, edit, run my company. So yeah, it's a lot, and obviously I'm gonna spend more time trading than doing YouTube because that's where primarily my money comes from. But yeah, I'm just ranting now. So yeah, the sub count is going up slowly but surely, and I appreciate that. Yes, we're gonna keep. We've been grinding here for a year and a half now, and we've come quite a way. Quite a way. I never thought we'd get to this point. So, yeah, you know, just gonna keep grinding for years and years to come. And yep, I do it for you guys. More worth trading, probably. Talking about all the stuff I do, yeah, trading is definitely my number one priority. You know, that makes all the money, so it's gonna take priority. Juggle some OPay. What is OPay? It's a lot, I get it. Yeah, it is a lot. I'm probably gonna have to hire some help here soon. I did not think I would have to hire help so soon, but I'm probably gonna have to hire an editor here pretty soon, and maybe even like other financial advisors to work for my company. We'll see, but I'm probably gonna have to hire some help soon. But yeah, guys, that's the show for today. So it is now 5:58. So I said finishing at 6 o'clock, and yep, it's about 6 now. So right on time. So appreciate everyone. Thanks everyone for joining today, for joining the show. Appreciate all the regulars, all the new people, all the lurkers. You don't watch anime? Not much anymore. I used to be pretty big into anime. I don't really watch TV anymore. I got no time. But I used to be really big into Naruto and Dragon Ball Z and One Piece and, you know, like your typical old ones. So, not really. No, I don't really watch anime anymore. That's a great place to be. It means you are growing. Yeah, it's definitely a good problem to have. But it is getting quite stressful. I've been smoking quite a bit of 420 lately to cope. But it's all good. Google Opie. All right, I'm going to do it off stream because I feel like it's going to get me in trouble. Okay. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, good show, good show. So I'll work on my short video right now, work on this Mullen video, and yeah, I will catch you guys tomorrow. Nasty day today. Hopefully tomorrow's better. So yeah, catch you guys tomorrow on, well, catch you guys on Discord, and I catch you guys here, back here on YouTube tomorrow. So let's get out of here. Ugh. Shades. Can't see anything. Oh, Dale's here. Didn't even know, dude. How long you been lurking for? Appreciate you, dude. Alright, let's get out of here, guys. Peace out, everyone. Koya, these days, Dale, everyone else here. Peace out, guys. See you tomorrow. Alright, let's get out of here. Fix my tie real quick. Thanks, everyone, for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please, like the video. Please subscribe. And catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Eddie says, definitely about to smoke some 420. Well deserved after today. See you tomorrow, Rainbow Bear. Yep, today was pretty rough. Hopefully tomorrow was better. Hang in there, Rainbow Bears. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.